and Gwenna is a Border Collie. And she's from the border county between Scotland and Wales and Scotland and England. And she's, how old is she now, Evan? She's 2 years old, but she's very young, she's very fast. So we give up to 5 dogs at a time, and they all respond to different commands. So they respond to whistle commands and voice commands and hand signals. So Evan will say go way out, which means go left, and come by, which means go right, and different pitched whistles for different directions and distances. So we could be up in the mountains for 4 or 5 hours a day, or a full day rounding up sheep. We round up to 40 to 200 a day to shear, vaccinate, and to vaccine. And what happens now is Gwen will go out, she'll find all the sheep, she'll round them all up and bring them in for you to have a closer look. So we have 2,500 sheep on the farm, and they're a variety of breeds. So we have the black-faced Scottish mountain sheep, and they're black faces and white coats. And they are the main breed we have here, and they are from Scotland. We also have Jacob breed, and they're a brown coloured wool and a black face, and they're from the Middle East and Palestine. And they'd be worth considerably more money because they're imported, and they're also a higher prolificity, which means they're very, very good. Which means when you crossbreed them, the sheep are very tough and very strong, and provide a lot of wool every year.
Where's the dog?
2,500 sheep on the farm, and there's 2,500 acres. So each sheep
there he
has
is.
an acre for themselves.
Wow, there he goes.
So she's 2 years old, she's very, very fast. The fitter they are, the younger they are, and the only problem is they'll do whatever you tell them, even if it means going to a river or a road or straight out in front of a car. So they're not very clever yet, they're just very fast. The older they get, the cleverer they get. So they're very, very slow, but they're very, very intelligent. So what they'll do is they'll know what to do very efficiently without using up too much energy. So the reason the sheep react to the dog is because the dog reminds them of a wolf in the wild, and they respect and fear the dog.
Oh, it's swishing.
So it takes up to 2 or 3 years to train a dog, and the dogs can hear up to 1 kilometre away. So they can hear whistle commands and voice commands a kilometre away. And this is very important when they can't see your hand signals. They have great hearing, great sense of smell. And they're very, very intelligent dogs.
Sit down. Sit down. Walk on. Walk on. Come by. Come by. Come by.
So what Gwenna does is she goes around and makes sure she has every sheep ready and every sheep coming in. And it's called stalking. When she lies down and waits for them to move, that's the stalking mode she goes into.
Oh, they're so cute.
So as you can see, the yellow tags in their ears, that's their birth cert. So every sheep gets a birth cert and a death cert.
Sit
So if you're watching the red markings and the red cage, that's what we use to mark our units on our farm. That's what we use on our farm. Here's the green and green. That's what we do with our sheep. She was trained for 2 or 3 years before she's let out here to work.
Sit down now. Sit.
So she's just new to the game. Very, very good. You can see how relaxed the sheep are now. It's very important the dogs have a good temperament and no thirsty. If they were thirsty sheep, they should have been sacrificed. So the dog is very, very good temperament and very intelligent. Like myself. So see how she gets every sheep. And it's very important she does this because if you avoid it, bring in one sheep for vaccination, they'll spread disease like wildfire. So every sheep has to be accounted for. This is the tough part now up the side of the hilly mountains where the sheep start to get clever and they start to hide in little cracks and crevices to avoid their haircut. So this is the tough part. And as you can imagine, we wouldn't be able to scale the rocks like this. So what we do is we send these dogs out to the top parts of the mountains and they do the hard work for us. So we're just there to give commands. So Gwen is 2, and the age of a dog when they retire is about 10, but they never really retire. What they do is they go into a semi-retirement where they come out, they do a bit of work when they want to, and do how much ever they can. So Gwen here is 2 hours straight without rest. What we do is we rotate That here's the break. There's 8 dogs in this farm, and Evan here has 5 of his own. Gwyneth being one of the youngest. The dog can hear for 1 kilometre. Up to 1 kilometre away they can hear.
It's like, wow. That's the only thing my dog knows how to do. He creeps on my dog.
We feed them a variety of dog feeds and dog biscuits. So we sometimes have tourists come and they feed them dog biscuits they get from these markets abroad. We had a German tour here last time and they brought these biscuits from a special market for dogs in Germany. So it was very interesting to find out that there's a market for dogs and they anticipated coming here, so they brought them with them. It's a nice treat. 8 here and 5, Evan has 5, so 13 altogether work. And we sometimes bring over more to work and they get a chance to learn how to use the high mountains. So dogs come here to train. This is the best place to train a dog on the high mountains. Because it's the toughest environment they'll ever work in. Well, Gwyneth here, she's female, but we have male and female, so we'd have a variety of both. I think the females tend to be a lot cleverer, and the men tend to be a bit faster and fitter, so that's how it works out. Same as real life, really. Yeah. That's the way it is. They're very much like human, and we feel as though the dogs can talk to us sometimes as well, so they know what's going on. And if we're ever in danger, they won't hesitate to come back inland and find help for us, so we always know we're safe when we have a dog with us. The sheep, however, they're quite dumb, so they'll just go and follow whatever leader comes, so every day they change leader, so they're like a bad economy, change leader every day. So if there's a dead sheep, pretty much our job to find it, and what we do is put it back and out, and then we'll tell us that the sheep won't be moving, it's not investigated, and discover it will be damaged or killed, so we bring that sheep in, obviously it's what's known as farming connected.
So he brings them again here?
Yeah, they can hear up to 1 kilometer.
Huh?
They can hear up to 1 kilometer away.
No, he brings them, but they were already here. Why is he bringing them again here?
Well, why not?
Oh.
It's a good thing to have it out here.
Oh, I almost got that.
Farm is 2,500.
Did you get that in the...
So out of that 2,500 we use So the grass now is green, and that's a good sign. However, in the winter it starts to turn slightly orange and it's weighing a lot of feed. So 90% of our income comes from tourism. So if one of you here today, you don't have money, thank you all very much. And that's the end of the demonstration for now. So as you can see the yellow tags, the red tails, we have one Chevio there, which is a lowland breed, with the white face and thicker legs. So you can see him right here, smack in the middle. That's the Chevio, and that's used for meat production in lowlands. The rest of the sheep are all for wool. So Gwyneth's stalking them again, and she'll send them back out now soon, and they'll enjoy the rest of their day in peace. We could get 2 or 3 in the earlier months, and then in the summer up to 13 or 14. So next month we have a lot. So that's it for now. It's like to make your way in this direction, down the hill, and inside to the farm for a nice sheep shearing demonstration next. Thank you.
I know, I'm killing